If you ever need a perfect still frame from a video, now Canva makes it incredibly easy, and I will show you exactly how in this quick tutorial. As you can see here is the video and here is the frame what I extracted from the video. But now I will delete this and I will show you how to do it quickly in a Canva. We need to go to the apps and searching for the app called Video Frames. We just need to open the application, choose File. I use the same video. And here we have this current frames option. You can stop it anytime, the video, and click on extract. Then the system just extracting this frame and we just quickly add to design. And you already have an exact frame from the video, because if we try to do it from here, we see the control panel of the video player, and it's a bit difficult to do it. But with this cool application, we can do it easily. And I just reset. There is another function called all frames. If I click on all frames and click on extract, the system doing all the frames, actually not all the frames, I think every second. Sorry. And you can see here the video frame has successfully uploaded to the media to your library. So not even we can choose here. So I can add another page, add it to design. I can add this frame. I can add the next one also if I want. Where is it? Or this change back? No. Okay, now it's working. But the thing what I would like to show you, if I'm going to the uploads, the application uploaded all the frames. It was an 8-second video, so that's actually, yeah, this is a proof what I was thinking. So this application made a sample in every second and added to the uploads. So with this application, this is the original video, and then we can see the frames what I extracted from the video. That's pretty amazing, pretty easygoing tool. So highly recommended to use it if you really need a perfect still frame from an exact video. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything in Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in an Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. Please also check the other link in the description where you can support me even with the smallest amount. So in the description, you can find a link for my Buy Me Coffee link. Then, as I already mentioned, you can support me with even with 1 cent if you want. Everything is highly appreciated. So as I mentioned already, you can find all the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.